Hello everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com, and in this video I'm going to be using Do Recorder to show you how to use Do Recorder on your Android device. You'll notice that you're viewing my Android screen right now, and on the right side of my screen I have this little orange icon, and if I tap on it I have some recording options. I could pause the recording, I could stop the recording, or I could go to my settings. This is all done using Do Recorder. So let's go ahead and quickly go to the App Store here, and let's just search for Do Recorder. Okay, so here you have it. This is what the app looks like. I've already installed it, and then we'll just tap to open it up. So you can see it's a recording device for Android. You can record in portrait mode or landscape mode. There are a ton of really cool features. Actually, I'll show you a couple. If I tap on the little side orange thing again, and I go to the settings down here at the bottom, you'll notice that I could also take a screenshot. So if I enable the screenshot feature here, you'll notice that on the left side of my screen there's now a screenshot button, so I could now tap on that to take a screenshot while recording. I can use my camera, so I can turn my camera on and hello, how's it going? So now you can see my actual front-facing camera as I'm recording this video. So that's really cool for a lot of gaming videos and that sort of thing. Let's go ahead and we'll leave the camera on for now. Let's leave the camera on and we'll turn screenshot off. We could enable a brush, so I could now draw on the screen, as you can see. Let's go ahead and now we're drawing everywhere. How do I exit the brush? So we've got our toolbox down here at the bottom. You notice the very bottom of the screen down in this area, and I'm just gonna hit X, so now our brush is off the screen. Go back into our settings. We could create GIFs if we wanted to, or we could add a watermark. So you can see there are a number of different features that you can change right here while you're recording. I can actually tap and I can drag this little camera around the screen, so I can move myself down to the bottom if I'd like. You can also record live. You'll notice at the top of the app, kind of up in this area, there's an option to record live. We could look at any images that we've taken as screenshots. This is the editing area, so this is where you can edit videos, you can turn your videos into GIFs, you can merge videos together, so it does have some editing features built right into the app. All of this is free. I just moved over to an Android device from an iPhone, and this is my favorite app that I've found so far. It's really cool. We can tap on our settings. You'll notice that you can change your video resolution here. So right now we're recording at 720p, but we could go up to 1080p if we wanted to. You can also change your video quality, your frames per second. We have the video orientation right now is on auto. We could lock the video orientation if we wanted to. We can choose whether or not we'd like to record our audio. We can choose where our videos are saved to. There are a ton of options and features with this app. It's really awesome, totally free. And you'll notice that again I can tap on the orange dot on the right side of the screen, so I could pause or stop this recording whenever I'd like. There's also a number of other options in here that you can kind of take a look at on your own. But if you're going to be recording your screen on an Android device, I highly recommend this app. This is what I'm going to be using to record all of my Android video tutorials that I have planned for the future. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. And if you want to see more technology tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I have for you for today. This is Anson from AnsonAlex.com.